Why is it crucial to stay in touch with your customers, especially during tough times? Michael Leboeuf, author of How to Win Customers and Keep Them for Life, states, "A satisfied customer is the best business strategy of all." In this video, I'm going to show you why, when times are tough, it's crucial to do your utmost to retain your existing customers. I'll show you a unique and extremely affordable way how to go about this. A novel and eye-catching way that will make you stand out from your competitors and give you the leading edge. I'm also going to present to you a few unique ways to retain your existing customers to help your business survive in tough times. Keep watching to find out more. Hi, Albertus from easyver.com here. In general, 80% of your sales and profits are generated by only 20% of your clients that are loyal to you. Simply put, repeat business is the best business of all. When times are tough and people start counting their pennies, they generally start cutting down on most services. Any unnecessary expenditure is put on the back burner for when times are better. This is especially true during the COVID-19 epidemic's economic fallout. This most probably also means they won't be spending any money on your business soon. It's predicted the economic repercussions of COVID-19 will still be felt for months, if not years, after the crisis has resolved itself. Where is this going to leave you and your business? What's going to happen if you don't stay in touch with your customers during times like these? The reality is, your customers will simply forget about you, and your business will fail. They might even choose to go to your competitors, who's already doing what I'm about to reveal. Put yourself in the customer's shoes. When things get better, who are they most likely to give back their support to? A business that only saw them as good enough to grab money from in good times? Or the business that has gone to the trouble of sending out a unique and caring message to their customers during these tough times? A message that shows you're thinking of them as real people and not just cash machines. The message you send out doesn't have to be complicated. A simple, "Hey there, Joe from Joe's Lawn Care Services here. Just a quick note to let you know we're thinking of you in these tough times," will do the trick. Research has shown a simple but authentic message has a far greater impact than a high-end, super polished one. But how do you make your message unique so it stands out from the rest? How do you make your message stick in your customers' mind so they A. don't forget about you, and B. tell all their friends how special and unique your service is? This is where the power of video comes in. Which message do you think your customer is going to remember the most? A generic email message similar to hundreds of others saying the same old thing? Or a quick video message like this one? "Hey there, Joe from Joe's Lawn Care Services. Just a quick note to let you know we're thinking of you in these tough times. We're really looking forward to seeing you again once this is over. Do contact us if you feel like a chat. 123-456-7893. I certainly know which one of these two will be special to me. I also know which one will be the most memorable. And I most certainly know which one I'll tell all my friends about. Free advertising, anyone? Don't ever bargain on your customers' loyalty. Show your customers you care and value their support. If you don't, you might well find they've all gone over to your competitor. Your competitor who realized the importance of doing that little something special. Your competitor who realized the importance of customer retention when times are tough. Remember, most customers treat their trusted service providers like they treat their friends. Keep your customers loyal, especially when times are tough, with smart and targeted communication. Here are two more examples of how the power of video can show your customers you care. If you have all their details, send out a birthday wish. "Hi Susan, Jake and the team at the dental center here. Happy birthday! May this be a fantastic, special, and memorable day for you. Have a good one. From Jake and the team. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 3. How about a unique reminder? Hi Mary, Mike from the Vet Centre here. We know things are a bit rough right now, but do bring Rufus in for his vaccination when all this is over. Mike and the team, the Vet Centre, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 3. How do you make these videos? Simple. Just contact us at support@easyvid.com. We're here to help. The link is in the description below. But isn't video creation expensive? We have various options available depending on your individual needs. Contact us. You'll be amazed at what we can offer. Remember, it's always the small things you do that matter. If you look after your customers, if you show you care by going the extra mile, if you make them feel special and unique, you'll have a customer for life, even when times are tough. Show your customers you care about them in a unique and memorable way, and they'll care about you in return. Get in touch. It might just be the most important thing you do today. The link is in the description below.